So today's video is a complete guide on how to make one of these viral AI baby dancing videos similar to the one you are seeing on this TikTok page. But here's the craziest part about the method I am going to show in this video. It doesn't only apply to AI babies. You can use your pets or literally any animal you want, and also famous people for this. In order to get started, literally open a new tab and just search TikTok. Then click on the first link right here. Be taken to their official website interface. Now what you want to do immediately is to come to the search bar right and literally search dance trend challenge or dancing videos or trending dancing videos. Basically what we are doing is we are looking for a dancing style or a trend we want our AI baby to mimic. So what I want you to do is just look through the dance challenges right here and select the one you want to go in for. Now when looking for it right, what I want you to focus on the most is the camera angle and everything, because we are going to use a specific method that is literally going to mimic everything, and I mean everything. So just look through it and pick the one you want to use. In my case, I'm going to use this particular dance trend right here. I really like the camera angles and everything. So after finding it just like this, what you want to do is to come to the section where I'm hovering the mouse pointer, click on copy link, and literally download the video onto your device. Now I really can't show you how to download it onto your device because of copyright reasons, but I believe we all know how to do it on desktop. If you don't, or to compensate for that, I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone to download it onto your device. So this is one of the videos that I found, and this particular one right here is The Rock doing the same dance moves as you can see here. So when you find it like this, what you want to do is to come to this section right here with the share icon right, just tap on it. Then as you can see at the bottom right here, it says download. Majority of you might not see download at this very section here. What you want to do is you just scroll just like this. You are going to see download and just click on it to download it onto your device. After finding the right dance move you want your AI baby to mimic, let's move on to generating the AI baby itself. What you are going to do is to open a new tab and search Google Gemini. Then click on the first link right here. It should take you to a different interface. They might ask you to create an account. Simply do that. Click the prompt box right here and right click again and simply paste this exact prompt in there. And don't worry, I'll leave this prompt in the description as well. And for this particular prompt, you can edit it or alter it any way you want. Basically it is just here to help us generate the character for our video. Now when it comes to this right, what we want to do is to maintain consistency with the character throughout. What I mean is this: since we are going to upload it on, let's say, TikTok or whatever social media platform you want, we want the character to stay the same and also have the ability to change its dresses and also change the scenery from time to time, or the videos are going to be very boring. So this right here is going to help with that. It reads, give me an image prompt for a 3D Pixar style cartoon character. This is going to give us that cartoon style character we have all been seeing. It continues to read around the ages of 5 to 9, making it a child, or let's just say practically a baby. It continues to read, she is a Ghanaian. Now this section is absolutely important because it actually helps you determine, let's just say, the skin color of the cartoon character you want. So be very particular about this section. It continues to read, make the image bright and colorful. Also, it should be a full body shot in the format I will provide below, but for a baby. The setting should be in a well lit studio with a white background. This is basically the scenery where you can actually change it from time to time to get whatever scene you want. But this time around, I want mine to be in a well lit background. You know what, let me change this section real quick to, let's say, the beach. There you go. As you can see, the setting has been changed. It says the setting should be the beach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it much more interesting. Let me tell it the kind of dressing style I want it to have. So this is what I meant by you can alter it any way you want. There you have it one more time. It reads, the setting should be at the beach and she should wear a cute swimsuit. Literally just that. And this right here below is the format I wanted to follow when it is giving me the prompt. Basically the description, the location and everything. A 38-year-old Ghanaian woman with a sharp angular face, etc. Basically her description. Don't really worry about it because this is just the format it should follow. All you need to do is just click this section right here which says submit. Now when it comes to Google Gemini right, it is going to attempt to generate the image for you, but that is not what we want. If you like the result it produces, you can go on ahead and just use it. So as you can see right here, it has generated the image just as I said it would, instead of giving us the image prompt. So what you are going to do is just type something along the lines of stop. It will understand that it is doing something wrong. Now what you are going to do next is literally write write give me the prompts. There you go, and there you have it. It has generated another image. So this one right here actually looks kind of good. You can use it if you want, but still this is not what you should see. Simply enter stop one more time. This should solve the problem. There you go. As you can see, it has not given us the description we want. So all you need to do is just select the one you want to use. I'm going to copy it just like this, highlight every single one, right click, just click on copy. What we are going to do now is to actually generate the image of the baby. Now I know you might be wondering, well Steve, why don't you just use this? Just as I said, you can go on ahead and use it, but I prefer it when the process I am working with or everything is just in one place. Here's what I mean by that. Use the first link in the description. Now this platform is what we are going to use to generate the image and also animate it and make it sort of dance and all those kind of stuff. Now when you land on this interface, they are going to ask you to create an account. Simply just do that. So this platform is called OpenArt. What you want to do immediately is to come to this section right here which says images. You can either come to this section where I'm hovering the mouse pointer, or this section right here will do just fine. You know what, let's just use this one right here. Then click on create image. What you are going to do next is to come to this section where I'm hovering the mouse pointer, click on switch. We are going to switch to use Google's Nano Banana Pro. Yes, it is the same one we used in Google Gemini, but just as I said, it is much better if you have everything in one workspace, and you'll understand why in just a second. So just select Google Nano Banana Pro. It is their latest model. As you can see right here, it has been selected. What you want to do next is to come to this section right here which says prompt, and literally paste the prompt you copied from Google Gemini in here. Simply scroll down and come to this section right here which says size. Click on it and select 9 by 16. This is the TikTok style. So let's just select it real quick. There you go, and increase the resolution to about 2K. What you want to do next is to also indicate the number of images you want to generate, but since this is Google Nano Banana Pro, one is going to work just fine. And let's just click on create right here. This is actually going to create it, but I have already created one and it looks good. It is the exact one that I want. As you can see right here, this is the one I generated with the same method. What you are going to do after generating the image just like this is to download it onto your device. That is what I would say if you are using a different platform, but since all of this is in one platform, what you are going to do is this. You're going to come to this section and literally just close it right. Come to where I'm hovering the mouse pointer, click on home. This should take you to the home interface. Now come to the section where I'm hovering the mouse pointer, videos. Hover over it and click on motion synchronization. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but anyways, come to this section right here. What you are going to do next is to come to this section here where I am hovering the mouse pointer. It says select your character. Listen, don't change this here. Clink 2.6 is the one we are supposed to use because it is perfect for what we are going to do right here. So come to this section where I'm hovering the mouse pointer, click on select image, then go to history. Don't go to upload, go to history. And as you can see right here, all the images you have downloaded with this platform are going to pop up. Select the one you want to use and just click on confirm. It's going to appear here, and what you are going to do next is this. The TikTok video, or that is the dancing style you want it to mimic, you are now going to upload it at this very section here. So with the one that I downloaded, you're going to come to this section which says select video, click on it, then click on upload. Since we did not generate the video with this, now just select the video right here. So this should take just a few minutes to upload onto the platform. As you can see right here, the video has been uploaded successfully. Let me just expand it to show you real quick. There we go. So this is the exact video we are going to use. Let's just close it. Come to this section right here which says keep original sound. Just make sure yes is selected, and you're going to come to this section which says motion reference control. Make sure exact is selected. Now when exact is selected, what is going to happen is it is going to mimic everything to the last detail, from facial expression to camera movement and camera control and everything. What you want to do is to come to this section right here which says video mode, leave it as standard, and at this section here which says prompt, don't enter anything in there, and literally just click on create. It is actually going to give it to you. After it is done generating the video, it is going to appear at this section where I'm hovering the mouse pointer. So as you can see, this is mine right here. Let's just click on it to see how it is. Before I play the video, I just want you to know I'm not going to play the audio in addition. I'm going to mute it for copyright reasons. So let's just play it real quick. So as you can see right here, this is very interesting. Even without the audio, it looked very good. Now if we take a closer look at it, right, mine is absolutely different from the ones you have been seeing on TikTok where it is super close to their face. The main reason being with the camera angle of the video I selected. Just as I said, it is going to mimic everything to the last detail, and since that's the one I prefer, that is why I went in for that style. I could have looked for some where the video is super close and the camera is not moving all over the place. So that is why you are seeing this right here. All you need to do is literally just click on this 3 dots at this very section here and just click on download to download it onto your device. You can also download it by clicking on this download right here to download it onto your device. So just as I said, you can replicate this for your pets or any animal you want, and also any famous person you want, similar to the rock video you saw earlier on. In order to do that, you're going to close this right, and at this very section here where you selected the character, it's where you are going to upload the type of animal you want to mimic this dance move, literally. And also if you want to upload or use any famous person, Donald Trump, The Rock, whatever, or whoever, you are going to come to this section and upload that particular person's image there, then upload the dance move or style you want it to mimic, and you are good to go. Keep in mind, it is going to mimic everything to the last detail, so be really particular about the video you select. Now I know most of you might say, well Steve, if you do not upload the audio for us to hear, are we not going to get any copyright strike as well? Here is the deal. If you are going to upload it onto TikTok, which I know most of you will also upload onto YouTube, what I would want you to do is this: decrease the video, that is the audio in your video, right? Then when uploading it, look for the original audio on the platform and just add it towards, and you are good to go. Millions of people have also used this particular audio right here. So are you trying to tell me they have faced copyright issues? No. And that is basically it. But before we end this video, I want you to know, if you want to change the character's dress or the location and everything, literally alter it as I did in this video right here, and you are good to go. Unfortunately, in order to apply or do whatever we did right here, you need a paid version of this particular platform for it to work. So just use the link in the description to get access to it. That is basically it. Let me know your end result in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Peace.